The ultimate Robo showdown, Battle of the Smart Cleaners. Picture this. Your floors are so dirty the Roomba might get PTSD or the Eufy might go on strike. Fear not, homeowners. Today, we declare war against dust with 2 robot vacuums battling for their spot in your home ecosystem. Strap in. We're diving into tech-tastic madness. In Corner 1, Roomba Q0120, the resilient veteran with over 50,000 owners and a price tag designed for budget kings. Smart nav and a 3-stage cleaning system scream efficiency, screaming slightly louder than your toddler. Love Alexa, Roomba and her are BFFs. In Corner 2, the Eufy vacuum wields 5,000 pascals of suction, like a dirt-snorting champ on Wall Street. It maps homes like Google Maps, but sassier. Plus, what's an obstacle? Those don't exist in Eufy's world. Bonus? It identifies as your own personal robo-slave, so it's fine to kick it around. Ever wanted to run over small Legos? Eufy's your jam. It climbs obstacles like a caffeinated goat. Meanwhile, our Roomba? It's all about methodical, clean lines and neat rows like it's auditioning for a military parade. Forget chaos, but it might get emotional if Alexa ghosts. Roomba wins low-cost hearts at $149, legendary sale, but don't count Eufy's features out. At just a smidge higher, you get no-go zones and cleaner map control, ideal for lazy-ass homeowners. Psst, this means all of us. What do you choose, muted genius or overachieving rebel? Only one question left, my dear floor-cleaning romantics. Are you swiping right on user simplicity or falling hard for AI-powered intensity? Links are below for your pleasure, and don't pretend like you won't binge buy after this. Subscribe to Synced Bridges for more humorous tech reviews.